Hi, today we are going to demonstrate how to observe curd bacteria under compound microscope. Materials we require are compound microscope, dropper, curd, methylene blue stain, a slide and a cover slip. The procedure is as follows. Take a drop of curd using a dropper and put it on the slide. Spread the curd sample evenly on the slide. Air dry the sample for 2 minutes. Heat dry the sample using a heat source. Wash the slide with water. Put a drop of methylene blue on it. Put cover slip on it and observe under a microscope.